you did several times. It hurts to admit that we're no different. I find it hard to commit, but you don't even try. Still I'm better with than without you. Oh, I'm on it, I want it, but why do you seem to call it your eyes? I can't tell if you're here or you're out there. Do you wanna be out there? You don't need to be Prince Charming to me. I just need this to be real. I don't need no fairy tale. You don't need a kill a dragon for me. Ooh, I don't need no fairy tale.
Hanami is from the words hana and mi. Hana is a Japanese word of flowers. Mi is a Japanese word for mimas, short word for mimas, which means to see, to watch, or to view something. So hana plus mi, flower plus view or watch or see, is like hanami, means to enjoy the flowers because it's springtime. Flowers are blooming everywhere, so we enjoy the flowers. And while enjoying the flowers, like we also do a picnic under the cherry blossom tree. Cherry blossom is the most famous flower blooming around springtime. And cherry blossom's life will only last for 2 weeks. Mostly it's from last week of March to first week of April. Right, Papa?
Yeah.
It's a Japanese tradition to enjoy springtime. So they do picnic, drink under the cherry blossoms, enjoy the view, enjoy the moment.
We run and go still every time. Whatever it is, I keep on trying. 'Cause it ain't hard to forgive when you know what it's like. That's why I'm better with than without you. Oh, I'm on it, I want it, but why do you seem to call it your eyes? I can't tell if you're here or you're out there. Do you wanna be out there? You don't need to be Prince Charming to me. I just need this to be real. I don't need no fairy tale. You don't need a kill a dragon for me.